Firearm Requiem by Mark D. Stucky. In the U.S., guns outnumber people, and sales outpace population growth. Guns under beds, guns in closets, guns in cars, guns in trucks, guns in purses, guns in holsters, guns in forests, guns in offices, guns in classrooms, guns here, guns there, guns everywhere. Guns pointing at them, guns pointing at me, guns pointing at you. Why let so many fingers on so many triggers? Why protect guns more than the lives of children? Why choose gun wrongs over gun laws? Why is America a monarch of mass shootings? Did gun rights come from Mount Sinai, written by God's own fingers? Did not guns once again make America greatly pained? When will we as a nation collectively have courage to save generational blood and beat guns into plowshares?